What's up YouTube, welcome to this video, and today I was finally able to fly after a very long break. I haven't been flying for about 3 or 4 weeks now, and that's mostly because the weather in Europe has been really kind of bad for flying. It's been cloudy, it's been raining like anything, it's been snowing recently, and I don't know if you guys know about this, but there was a massive storm all over Europe that disrupted a lot of activity for a couple of days, and finally all of that was behind us. Today we had a few hours of great weather, and I took the opportunity to take out my drone for a few minutes. It was still snowing when I was flying, but it was very gentle, and just you wouldn't call it full-fledged snow. And I was able to fly around my university and just get some cool shots of the city where I live. I just wanted to share this very quick tip with you that might help you prolong your flying hours during winter months. So the best way to make sure that you're going to complete your flights during winter months is to make sure that your batteries are warm before you take off. So the way that I take care of this is that I keep my batteries in a place in the room that is warm. Please note I don't keep it anywhere near my radiator, because if you expose it to temperatures that are too high, then lithium polymer batteries are known to act up. So around room temperature, something like 25 degrees Celsius to 30, that's like a good ideal temperature for lithium polymer batteries. I try not to make them too cold or let them get too cold on the way to wherever I'm going to be shooting. It's convenient for me if I'm shooting somewhere near. If not, then I just try to keep my batteries in my pockets and make sure that there's no change or anything like that. No pins, no keys in any of the pockets where I keep my lithium polymer batteries. I just want to make sure that they're warm. If you're not in a position to make sure that your batteries are warm before you take off, then a good practice would be to kind of just let the propellers run a little bit for a little bit of time before you take off. That would involve just spinning your propellers for a little bit, and by a little bit I mean something like 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes. That should be enough for the battery to warm up a little bit before you take flight. The reason you would be doing it for your DJI Mavic, for instance, or a Phantom, or any drone for that matter, would be to let the lithium polymer batteries get to temperature, get to operating temperature in a way that they can provide you the current that you need in a safe manner, and make sure that you don't suddenly accelerate too much or fly in sport mode straight away. I hope this video helps you, and keep flying safe. Bye-bye.